Kanamite tuni nisim ko June 2026 ni June. Nisim som le thum May 2026 ni a. Ta chapa mi som le li ki hang tan den ho chu. Tuni khni kho chun a hen thla do tawin. Hechi thu hi neu khat ga se belaw han. Jani nisim ge June 2026 ni achun. NPO Naga People Organization President Palam Kainan Security Force Auto Guthim Chan ana thada govin Puido ding ativa ki gut sa chayu ahitan ahin Naga Village Guards NVG ho chun athu hi het li pharwa aga zada wa ana thada lo chu an hi in hi
Kakak kami kita abang balung ni lele.
Gazini.
Nanda babung tu kami ti ma.
Oh, lebe konsol do, Roma konsol do ni. Jadi sih itu jadi cuma kita lo kita masih soal ni jam. Kita do kita tu ni saya kondisi kan sih kita tu.
Mai minta zada.
Kondisi inform tu ni, kondisi kita tu kita. Condition ini,
Lesson memang betul. Memang mana betul. Oh, sir, please don't be into this, sir. Go back, please. Ras dong biar aku sirum di. Cara kubah belum itu kantor belum al asal lam tu yang phone video pina lung lo na
aku yang bakal lu street lero kan lehan lega aku mana hindi aku mana load na upload aku patau jadi puja tu kata aku tu akan aku lah aku you puja malah aku ni diti lagi macam dia pun puja saja aku ni mai sikit na itu sih dia akan try betul aku akan try ni ada transparency maintain tahu tu ni lokal dia tu si macam ni lokal macam tu ni ni na cuma nak hindi load na public ko khang dor macam dia cuma na load tak dia tu aku su nungai ra mi to pan hore aku ko question tahu macam dai mu aku mu bukan mu hai ni aku su di ko ai right also na ayah mesti aku
ini ni
aha hoi hadi aku education nate adu budak aku education nate aha ni adu ko niom le asi macam ni lala mi khang dor macam dia asu ni pura tak dia tu hore aku ko question tahu aku kari hai ni adu ai hai le buka ni na tahu dia tu what they like ta ni ayam ba kalau macam ni ayam ba aku macam ni tu na aku lala asu aku mi kurang dia tu aku tu asyik yanin de ai na hai ko ni singsi
hitia thusu zin sinapatia NVG volunteer so khachun aphat sial lamkai ho thusi kingai jinga hi in ipidinga tua hi janoya guthimcha hitia hi chatlo na hi ham atin aman asaibena achun hitia hi lamkai ho nachalo jingu ahile jingle khangtha hon thudo hindong talew itikadon buding ham keho ingo dingo hi hichi thildi lo hi kehon iti mopuna kapodi ham atin hi NVG ho hitia omphat uchun lamkai hon iti azol zol bang wachun azol do zo tupovi akiman hostes mi somdali ho chu hlado lowa anum chu ahita na hi ahin wang phanom taing tuni Taphou nu pi ho le nammi pi ho taw hot zal jong hintin UNC United Naga Council te makaina noin tuni chun ahin hlado win security force on Taphou chan gain aga thau hi No plastic dress extra haptinga lebra.
Hoi. Asita plastic kum le so. Itu pai le ko. Nanti kum dera sarada.
Ha ikuti.
Nanti di sai.
Hoi na.
Amara be no in ekoi nu si be se pun si da kaw ro e ba.
Nungai da yaro ba ko.
Kun su thang kun su marak su thang de ba.
Nungai chalo.
Nungai te ba wari su marak su ngang bi de ba.
Nungai yaro.
Noi kum ba ekoi ni de sa. Noi de ge ekoi lo ge do ba yam de ya ba. Ko bi lo ba. Nung sin na ra ko. Mo wa ko lo ka bi sa. Ekoi de amara be sar koi de thake ba ma su le de.
Nungai yaro ko du ko.
Nungai le yo sa.
KUKI haiban amunong ubang apanak bora do pinabloy na nijab ni Paisho na asiguma example ang nehera na kitya ka da changa ba na ko khang ba si tongale ba si khang mangamba asaw ko kya le ramba ya adu mayam su KUKI ba haiban na bora do pinabloy na nijab ni Paisho mafam na si
KUKI sai tongwa lun sai tongwa kai mam tongwa lun sai tongwa lun ilang tongwa tongau len tongwa segin lun tongwa segin hau tongwa hau tong tongwa kami lun kipen lamgau len kipen hang len mam tongwa hang min len tongwa
And facilitated the release of 14 KUKI detainees here on the basis that Nagas are culture people. We uphold war ethics and also we respect international law on human rights. We are also considering the commitment of the Honorable Home Minister Amit Shahji through Honorable CM of Nagaland, Dr. Nipurio, giving the assurance that the government will put all out effort to trace out and establish the status of the mission hostages of our 6 Nagas, and also taking into considerations all the appeals from the world community, World Baptist Alliance, Asian Baptist Christian Fellowships, Council of Naga Baptist Churches in Northeast India, MBC, Joint Nagaland Christian Forums, tribal hosts from Nagaland and across Nagaland, organizations, and many others, including the appeals of our Honorable CM of Magalia, Komrake Shamma. Further, the commitments and assurance given by the state's government of Manipur that they will put all effort and trace out the status of and establish the status of the mission hostages and produce within certain time-bound manner. With this, today, the United Naga Council, in consultations with all the stakeholders, facilitated the safe release of the 14 KUKI detainees here and handed over to the district administrations, police, and security forces before the public. Thank you.
Naga village guard son tuni ahin thado ta chapa misom li ho hi ukeng ne ho songko milong ho vetsuin no ya hi ni som ni lesagi zen chu hostis a ahi bin hichia ahin thado ho hi thangwilen chongloi pautin kai chongloi lunsei chongloi kaimang chongloi hengun sei chongloi luntilal chongloi tonggolin chongloi segin lun chongloi semin ho chongloi pawgo hang chongloi pawminlun kipgen lamgolin kipgen thanglen mang chong loi le thamlen chong loi a hi bin hi ama ho kilha do zo chun press on thudo onei na wo chun akiman ho la a jaw Taphou khomi pautin kai chong loi chu an ho limin ama those hi chomcha ga nga yu hti we
Where are you from?
I am from KUKI Taphou.
Tell me how you were treated when you were detained.
We have been detained 27 days under the Naga village guard, where we have been well treated. We have been provided good food, the best food available in the area, best clothing from panties, shirts, pants, blankets, and many more. I have to say many more.
How many meals were you provided in a day?
Two meals and one tea time. There is a two tea time.
Where did you put any special kind of choice when you asked for certain kind of food?
I have another. May you repeat the question?
Were you given any special kind of treatment, as in like any special kind of food provided to you?
Yeah. The best food available.
Did you face any challenges, or how was your time? Did you face any challenges?
Yeah. We have a great thing to learn from the Naga village girls. They have been extraordinary. Special, unique.
And then what do you have to say to your people who has held 6 of our Naga brothers?
This is a great lesson. We have learned. We have to learn from you, from our from our Naga brothers. This is great things we have to learn from them.
Then do you have any message, anything that you would like to say to your KUKI brother who has held 6 Naga hostages?
Yeah. My dear people, the KUKI people, I want to appeal to you all that during our hostages in 27 days, we have learned a great things from our brothers, the Naga brothers. So I appeal to you that you also copy these special things from them and do the good things in return to their kindness, and we were being released unconditional and on humanitarian grounds.
aman asei hi nisomle nisagi sum kom naw sunga hin phatachan ei bolbin nel cha silachen apa pen ap uin mong ta in eum sawi na ti na hi hichi atha do naw thu unc lam kai pan asai na hin nagate hi culture heta mi ka hi win international human rights zone zabol na kanai win chukile honorable home minister amit sa to thulhut na kinai zong kaza bolwin hichi honorable chief minister Nagaland nifurio panla na hat na zal hi in hichi aman melong songko melong migup kiman ho chungthu a assurance ap zu hi in chukile ho kiloi khomna Asian Baptist Alliance ho hi in Northeast India Naga Baptist kiloi khom ho hi in Joint Nagaland Christian Forum ho Nagalena tribal ho household organization chule CSO za chum chule Meghalaya CM Conrad Sangma tauna zong ahin achungchona Manipur government in Nagami group kiman ho thua commitment le assurance ap ji uto ahin hichi hodung ju ya hi UNC le ato khompi aba kai ho josen hichi mi som le KUKI mi kiman ho hi DC pa le security police ho khuna public masanga kapi do hitai tin aholum ne achun ana sei na hi sopi mi som le li ho atha do zo chun hausapu ina mai cha masimuin Taphou wang khomuna chun limjang akila uin akichayu chun an ko te chi to akimoto uin a video ivetle set jong omen Kipana jong ana umthe jengin hi
se sang putang itu lah di tangan dari bullet proof dari itu kalau mana kalau di tangan kan pokok bang news tak sini tahu buku sih news itu baik kokang itu ada sini semua yang bom itu yang ini saya nah
Hitia UNC in KUKI ta chapa misom li detain ki bol ki hlaro na zihin Kampupi constituency MLA P Nemcha Kipgen Deputy Chief Minister P Kimneo Hangsing Cycle MLA KUKI Zo Council KUKI P Manipur World KUKI Zo Intellectual Council Ko2 Kiti Hozo Sin UNC in pan ala na KUKI chapa misom li damlebit na kilhado in Kipana thusu hinbol so kevin hi alangkhana tuni hitia Kipana thu lai ta chun Tuilang area IT road Kamenglong district nga lasan khuwa chu KUKI ta chapa hogin thlowung chu kabuta alo khoi lai ta chun NSNIM hole JDF Kamson ho chun anakap di ta vin hi
tuni milong hon no kom ven so piu khalam ta he lasan muna pai le jawa akabuta tol na ang jal khum wa het di we dung si me i bai lo do ha me yang bol do yang khop tong bol di kong ready sa ko mu te
ôi hello ngay ta cho tù đi ăn nó là lưu
Amalung dapsahi Kampupi District Hospital postmortem dinga ahin pu chu ahin lampi hungna wa hi khoni khuthum lang hi lampi ki ka la hi ukeng ne ho songko milong ho khuthum lang hi hi ho a hi ana thado lu ji win chaljang langa kuna an velvin hiti hin ha sata chun ong khosaki du na hi he langkhana kangui khomi tenjong hospital munachun along chu onanga jingwin chalwa khomi tenjong jana along hen po pedu chun lampi panga ana dingwin candle khat che ana kidop bwin along chu ana thado bin hi
Na sawe sa mo ho.
Salwa kan pa ve.
Ang dami candle light. Diesel ko na hina. Ini lah dah mo. Siapa yang agak kumsi sih kilong dua mah. Tiba tu sakit. Agak acak. Saya tahu. Ini no tiền mua đồng phạm này.
Hechethu hin kortu in nisim som June 2026 ni kho hi ta chapa pu hogin thovum lasan village jana le ngailu na vet sana in avui lim nakin kichai ka sia Surrey Hills district pumpi dukan kaihlang somkolwin zo se government office bank private institution school zo se shut down hiding ama wang gari thlai le hawang angaya chi dingo chule nami pi te zo sen so pi pai ki na kin ki bol ka sia ngai lu na nei ta along opna kina pon la su ke dinga tim na le taw na zong ahin nei vin hi tukala hi ukeng ne ho milong sung ko ho hi a khu a agul thang ho training abol sa wa nupi upo ho zong thopal ding sem thai thein asimuwa amun muna hi a khu le agamu hu na dinga hi akigo panta ve ti hi video clip samcha cha hen ta do jina ho a mu thein awmin heche ho ji hin e ho zong kiging sadem le thu de la ho aphat dung zuya het na dinga long lim ta hothengai cha yum jing angai mong tai ti hi achaina dinga hin se no mu chu hi sa utin dunia dingin hichan hi sa utin hichan hin chaita hi ti we
Anakku